Hey guys, this is Charlie with Badass Beard Care, and I want to show you how to put together our brand new Stealth Balmer. Now you can get the Stealth Balmer loaded or by itself. It'll hold 4 oils and 4 balms nice and compactly on your counter. When it gets shipped to you, it's shipped flat in 6 individual pieces, just like this. And it comes with paper instructions, so you can see how to put it together. But, paper instructions leave a little bit to be desired, so I want to show you how to put this together the easy way. You start out with your balm tray. It's a piece that's on the very bottom. It has these rectangular slots inside of it that holds your balm. You'll notice it has slots on the outside and the center. What that does, you take your sidewall, you match the slot on the outside with a slot on the bottom of that sidewall. These tolerances are very, very tight, so if you're having any kind of trouble putting it together, this is probably why you're watching the video. These slots have to line up exactly perfect. And if you notice it's a little bit tight, like the metal doesn't want to go over the other slot of metal, it is possible that maybe the bottom piece here is a little bit bent. And so you can try to gently pull that back out to give a little more space, or try to put the other piece of metal in at a little angle until it's in, and that'll give you the clearance you need, and then it'll be easier to slide on. So once you have the clearance you need, slide it through. If you feel resistance, it's because it doesn't just have to slide through one slot, it then has to slide through the next part of the slot. So if that resistance is that tolerance, it's meeting right at the edge. So you gently just kind of work it around until it slides beyond it, like that. So now it slides all the way, and it should be locked into place. It won't go forward or backwards, side to side. And it'll be flush with the front of the tray. Now you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Take your other base, slide it in all the way down. You'll feel that resistance. Give a little bit of a wiggle until it goes past. Push it all the way through. Now it's totally flush, just like that. This gives you your base support. Next, you'll have this small piece. This is a support for the oil tray. So you'll see this little slot right here in the back matches with the longer slot right on the bottom. Just slides right on, right through. Now the next piece is going to be a little more difficult because instead of just trying to line up one part, you have to line up 2. So you're going to take your tray for your oils. This is the oil tray. These indentations are going to be where your balm slides into it. You'll see the outside parts here. Those line up with the second slot in your sidewalls. You want to line it up so that the first part goes through and the second part on the back side also goes through. If you try to put one side in and angle it, the other side's not going to line up. So you have to put both in, lined up at the exact same time. Slide it through. If you feel resistance, just try to wiggle it through. Don't force it. Keep going until it's all the way flush. And I like to hold the front piece flush while I'm pushing the back piece. That'll help give me any kind of resistance is there. I can kind of push through it. So now everything is totally flush, front and back. And also you notice that the support for the stand right here in the center has gone through the center slot right there. So that should lock all that into place. Now the last piece you have to worry about is the holder for your oils. And the same thing, you have a slot top and bottom. You're gonna line up on the top slot now on your sidewalls. And I went a little fast, so it did not line up perfectly, and I'm gonna have to push things back a little bit tight. So you'll notice too, as you're working with this, if you're pushing on one piece to try to get leverage, you're gonna push other pieces out of place. You wanna try your best just to hold one piece of this as you're working it to slide it through. Otherwise, you might have to readjust a little bit, but it's easy enough once you've got it in, just to slide it until it's all the way flush. I'm gonna do the same thing now. I'm using my fingers on the front of the tray stand right here to give it some support, and I'm pushing these back pieces both flush. And I can tell my front actually went out while I was doing this. So now I'm gonna hold the back pieces and I push the front flush. But now it's totally flush on this side, totally flush on the back side. And my stand is fully assembled and ready for me to load my 4 oils and 4 balms into it. Now, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help. If any of your pieces are bent beyond recognition and you can't get it to fit, we can also send you a new one there. So don't stress. If your piece comes bent or for whatever reason you can't get it to work, we will make sure that you are hooked up. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks, guys.